Exercises to lose weight fast at home for beginners. Did you know that over 70% of adults in the USA are overweight or obese, and most struggle to find effective home workout routines that actually work? Are you aware that lack of exercise contributes to more than 200,000 deaths in the USA each year? Studies show that only 23% of Americans get enough exercise. Have you ever felt overwhelmed and frustrated because you're not seeing results despite trying countless workouts? Hey everyone, today we're focusing on a topic that's on everyone's mind: losing weight fast, especially if you're a beginner and want to do it right at home. If you're ready to kickstart your weight loss journey, stick around. I got the perfect exercises just for you. Let's get started. Butt kicks plus jumping jacks. Start with your feet shoulder width apart. Perform butt kicks by running in place and kicking your heels toward your glutes. After 30 seconds, switch to jumping jacks by jumping your feet out while raising your arms overhead, then returning to the starting position. Combining butt kicks and jumping jacks elevates your heart rate, providing a high-intensity cardio workout that burns calories and improves cardiovascular health. This combination also engages your legs and core muscles.
Now they looking nervously, and I don't really care what you think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better. See, I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad.
Cross body punch jack. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Jump your feet out while simultaneously punching your right arm across your body to the left. Jump back to the starting position and punch your left arm across your body to the right. Repeat alternately. This exercise combines cardio and strength training. The jumping jacks elevate your heart rate, while the cross-body punches engage your core, shoulders, and arms, promoting overall muscle toning and calorie burning. Standing diagonal lunges. Stand with your feet hip-width apart. Step your right foot diagonally forward to the left, bending your knees into a lunge position. Return to the starting position and repeat with your left foot diagonally forward to the right. Diagonal lunges target multiple muscle groups, including the glutes, quadriceps, hamstrings, and inner thighs. The diagonal movement also engages the core for stability, enhancing muscle strength and coordination while burning calories.
I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate for taking control of your life, go out and battle.
Double twist knee thrust. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Raise your right knee toward your chest while twisting your torso to the right. Lower your leg and twist your torso back to the center. Repeat with your left knee, twisting to the left. This exercise combines cardio and core strengthening. The knee thrusts raise your heart rate, while the twisting motion engages the oblique muscles, improving core strength and enhancing calorie burn. Downward dog sprints. Start in a downward dog position with your hands and feet on the floor, hips raised. From this position, start moving your legs alternately as if you are running in place. Continue alternating your legs in a smooth, controlled motion, maintaining the downward dog position throughout. Downward dog sprints combine cardio and strength training. The rapid transitions between downward dog and plank positions elevate your heart rate, while the movements engage your core, shoulders, and legs, promoting full body strength and calorie burn. Flutter kicks. Lie on your back with your legs extended and hands under your hips for support. Lift your legs slightly off the floor and perform small, rapid up and down kicks. Flutter kicks target the lower abdominal muscles, helping to tone and strengthen the core. The continuous leg movement also raises your heart rate, contributing to calorie burning and improved cardiovascular fitness.
You think of me respectfully. You can kick rocks if you think you're fucking better. See, I will outwork you, turn you to an enemy. Hurt you so bad that you're gonna need some therapy. I got the motherfucking recipe. I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy.
Lying bicycle crunch. Lie on your back with your hands behind your head and legs lifted. Bring your right elbow toward your left knee while extending your right leg. Switch sides, bringing your left elbow toward your right knee and extending your left leg. Bicycle crunches engage the entire core, including the upper and lower abdominal muscles and obliques. The continuous cycling motion also raises your heart rate, promoting calorie burn and improved core strength. Lying knee raise. Lie on your back with your legs extended and hands under your hips for support. Lift your legs toward the ceiling, then lower them back down without touching the floor. Lying knee raises target the lower abdominal muscles, helping to tone and strengthen the core. The controlled leg movement also engages the hip flexors, promoting muscle endurance and calorie burning.
Positivity's contagious. I'm never looking back, cause I made a life that's passionate. A college graduate suppressing all his talents, yeah. He found a way to go and change, become an advocate for taking control of your life. Go out and battle, and you think you have a dream, then act on it. Get after it, get out your head and fucking capture it. You got one life to master it.
Lying windshield wiper. Lie on your back with your legs extended and arms out to the sides for support. Lift your legs toward the ceiling and move them side to side in a controlled motion, like windshield wipers. This exercise engages the oblique muscles and lower abs, promoting core strength and stability. The controlled side-to-side motion also improves flexibility and coordination, enhancing overall fitness. Mountain Climber+Burpee. Start in a plank position and perform mountain climbers by bringing your knees toward your chest alternately. After 30 seconds, jump your feet forward, stand up, and perform a burpee by jumping back into a plank position and repeating. This high-intensity combination elevates your heart rate, providing an excellent cardio workout. Mountain climbers engage the core, shoulders, and legs, while burpees target the entire body, promoting full body strength and significant calorie burning.
I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day.
Side shuffles high knee. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and shuffle to the right for a few steps. After shuffling, perform high knees by lifting your knees toward your chest alternately for a few seconds. Shuffle back to the left and repeat. Side shuffles and high knees provide a dynamic cardio workout, improving agility and coordination. The side-to-side shuffling engages the lower body muscles, while the high knees elevate your heart rate, enhancing calorie burn and cardiovascular fitness.
I've been cooking up hits, I'ma leave a legacy. You'll be looking small when you're standing right next to me. I'm 5'10", bitch, but I'm 10 feet next to me. I don't give a fuck what you say.
Skater hops. Stand with your feet hip width apart and hop to the right, landing on your right foot while bringing your left foot behind you. Hop to the left, landing on your left foot while bringing your right foot behind you. Continue alternating sides. Skater hops mimic the movement of ice skating, engaging the glutes, quadriceps, and hamstrings. This exercise improves balance and coordination while providing a cardio workout that burns calories and enhances lower body strength. Consistency is key. Incorporate these exercises into your routine 3 to 4 times a week, and you'll start to see and feel the difference. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, it's about improving your overall health and well-being.